If you're considering a crypto exchange, Gemini is one of the names that comes up often. Most people get this wrong. They assume all exchanges are the same. The surprising truth is that Gemini combines strong security, a user-friendly interface, and a regulated environment, making it a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced traders. Gemini allows you to buy, sell, and store a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and many altcoins. One of the standout features is its security. Gemini is fully regulated, and the U.S. provides insurance for digital assets held on the platform and uses strict security protocols, including cold storage for the majority of funds. For beginners, the interface is intuitive. You can fund your account with a bank transfer, debit card, or wire, and the platform guides you through buying your first crypto. Advanced traders will appreciate tools like limit orders, recurring buys, and detailed market charts. Gemini also offers Gemini Earn, which allows you to earn interest on certain crypto holdings. There are some considerations. Trading fees can be higher than some other exchanges, especially for smaller transactions, and not all altcoins are available compared to larger global platforms. However, the added security and regulatory compliance often outweigh these drawbacks. In conclusion, Gemini is a solid crypto exchange for users who prioritize security, reliability, and a regulated environment. Whether you're just starting out or want a trustworthy platform for your crypto portfolio, it's a platform worth considering. If this review helped you understand Gemini, subscribe for more honest crypto exchange reviews and tips to manage your digital assets safely.